Brayden, so you have a tooth that is about to come out. Is that right?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Wow. Okay. And so how are we going to pull your tooth out?
We're gonna attach a string to the door and attach it to my tooth, and then slap the door.
Exactly. All right, let's get set up. Okay, so step one is to lasso the tooth with the dental floss. So here we go. I'm just going to make a little loop. And I'm going to put it around your tooth, make it nice and tight. Okay, I'm just going to do another quick loop just to make sure we got it. Okay, it is around the tooth. Okay, Brayden, stand up, please. Okay, stand up. We want you nice and close to the door. Closer, closer, closer. Okay, so now.
I'm going to slam
Okay,
the door.
stand back. Okay, Brayden, you're in control. When you're ready, you slam the door and the tooth is going to pop out. Okay, make sure we gotta make sure it's nice and high. Don't move, don't move. Make sure it's nice and high on your tooth. Okay, now when you're ready, you slam it. 1, 2, 3. Hard. Ah! There it is! We got it! We got the tooth.
It did?
We got it. Okay, so we officially got the tooth out. Let's see that hole. Wow, there it is. How did it feel?
Good.
Did it hurt?
No.
No? Oh my gosh, you are a crazy man. That was so funny. All right. Until the next tooth.